In this video, I will show you how to transfer video from your USB drive to your laptop. So let's do it. First of all, connect this USB drive to your laptop. So here you can see I just connect it, and after connect, here you can see USB drive automatically open on my laptop. So if it's not open, you just need to select this PC. Then here you can see this is your USB drive. So simply select it, and then here you can see this is video. That's I just need to copy it at first. So after select, then copy. So after copy, here you need to find out your uh, laptop drive, and then you can paste it. So here you can see I just paste it on my laptop drive. So guys, in this way you can transfer video from your USB drive to your laptop. Thank you everyone for watching.